Aisha? So H is equal to I square RT. IR is V. Okay, so we replace the IR with V. Remaining I we write as it is. So we get the new formula. H is equal to VIT. So if in any numerical problem you don't have R given, you have only volt given. So you don't need to convert it or you don't need to find R. You can directly use this formula. H is equal to VIT. Okay, please take this down. Add it to your list of formulae. We have also done previously. So here we have not written P is equal to VI. We know that P is equal to VI. ठीक है? So what does H become?
H is equal to PT.
Yes. This will be your new formula. H is equal to PT. You can take this as well. We also know that what is Q is equal to IT. Isn't it? So we can also have H is equal to VQ. You remember Q is IT we have done in the previous class. H is equal to VQ. What else? More H formula you can get because you are going to have a lot of formulas and you have to use any of this. You have to know all of them. Whatever has been given to you, using that you have to remember the formula and put it over there. If you want to score full marks, yes. And yes, we can prepare for it. It's not very difficult if you start right now. That's why I picked up this chapter and started doing it so that in the meantime you can revise all the formula when you're free at home now. Can you remember more formulae? What is V? What is I? I is V upon R. So shall we put this? This formula in
Yes.
place of I. So what
Yes.
will we get? In
H
place
is
of
equal
I.
to
Yeah.
H is equal to V into V upon
Yeah.
VR.
V square.
V square V upon R.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है? हाँ. So that is also what you will be getting over here. What else? और कोई रिप्लेसमेंट दिख रहा है आपको? Also, I is Q upon T. Also, I is Q upon T. तो हम इसमें Q/T भी डाल सकते हैं. H is equal to V Q, I is equal to Q/T. तो अपॉन T और इंटू T, तो ये T कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन हैव VQ. H is VQ. I guess we have got it here as well. Same thing. So you may not repeat it. So that's all. That are the different formula which we will have to be doing next time also. Please take this down and we stop over here. We'll continue with our same topic in the next class. Any queries till now? Anybody who wants to ask me? Quickly, I'm going to recollect all this in the next class as well. We will do a quick revision in the next class also. I understand that you have got a break of 2 months and everything is now clean from your brain. So we have to do it again, no doubt. Great, Arman. You have been very attentive in your class, right? And you have appeared your 9th standard apart, unlike all the others. So great. Okay. So thank you. Bye. Take care.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good
All of
afternoon.
you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Begin with where we had stopped from, isn't it? We had seen how to solve equations which are reducible, which are not linear equations, but which can be reduced to linear equation and then solve it. That is what we had seen. Okay, and I'd asked you all to do practice set 1.4. Any difficulties in practice set 1.4? Otherwise, we will start with word problems. If there are difficulties,
Sir, third
है,
and
please
fourth.
पूछो.
Third or fourth.
चार ही तो समय है उसमें. कितने समय टोटल?
Sir, third or fourth वाला.
हाँ वही चार में से थर्ड और फोर्थ मतलब 50%. Okay.
हाँ.
Why? What is the problem in third and fourth? They're easy.
सर आगे थोड़ा सा कुछ तो ये हो जा रहा है.
आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
हाँ.
तुमने लेफ्ट टर्न लिया रहेगा, लेफ्ट टर्न लिया रहेगा तुमने राइट टर्न लेने की जगह पर. इसके लिए नहीं पहुंचे तुम जगह. मंजिल पर. You must have taken a left turn in place of a right turn. We'll see what mistake you have made. Third one. Okay. I'm going to do a little faster. Okay, so please pay attention. Anything that you do not understand, please ask me. Do not hesitate. I'm going to be a little fast in these sums. 27 upon x minus 2. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equals to 85. Equals to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equals to 89. Okay, this is what is the sum. This is what is the sum. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equals to 85. Sorry, anybody has any doubts here? Okay.
Sir, please can you write big because the screen is.
I've just written the question. I know. I've just written the question. Nothing else.
I didn't have to do that. Why?
Okay. It is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equals to 85. And 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equals to 89. Now, in this, what we are going to do is, we are going to say, let x minus 2 equals to a and y plus 3 equals to b. Let x minus 2 equals to a and y plus 3 equals to b. Till here clear? So this is going to become, equation 1 is going to become 27a plus 31b equals to 85. 27a plus 31b equals to 85. Equation 2 is going to become 31a plus 27b equals to 89. Till here clear or any doubts? After this, we are going to use the, instead of multiplying this by 31 and this by 27 to get it equal, I'm going to first add this. This is your equation number 3 and this is your equation number 4. Just add them. 27 plus 31 is how much? 58a plus 58b equals to 1. Sorry?
174.
174.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll divide this by 58. So I get a plus b equals to 3. This is my fifth equation. This is my fifth equation. Till here, any doubts? Till here, any doubts, anybody? No. Okay. Then I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take 31a plus 27b equals to 89 minus 27a plus 31b equals to 85. When I subtract, all signs are going to change. So 31 minus 27 is 4a minus 4b equals to 89 minus 85 is 4. Divide by 4. So I will get a minus b equals to 1. So I get a minus b equals to 1. This is my sixth equation. A minus b equals to 1 is my sixth equation. Till here, any doubts? Anybody, any query, any question, anything not understood? Okay. Now take this. A plus b equals to 3. So if I solve this, b and b will cancel. 2a equals to 4. A equals to 2. A equals to 2. Then substitute this a equals to 2 in equation number 5. So 2 plus b equals to 3. That therefore b equals to 3 minus 2. B equals to 1. Till here you all have got it? B equals to 1. A equals to 2, B equals to 1. Okay. Next, after that, what we have to do is we have to resubstitute. Now, what is X? What is A? When I resubstitute, I'll get A equals to X minus 2 equals to 2. Shift this to this side. Therefore, X equals to 2 plus 2, X equals to 4. X equals to 4. Is that clear? Sorry? Okay, sorry. It's not, it is 1 upon this thing. Sorry, nobody told me here. It is 1 upon X minus 2 and 1 upon this thing. So this would be 1 upon X minus 2. Okay, so this is going to change. 1 upon X minus 2 equals to 2 upon 1. Therefore, X minus 2 equals to 1 upon 2. X minus 2 equals to 1 upon 2. Substitute, shift to that side. X equals to 1 upon 2 plus 2. X equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 1 plus 4 upon 2. X equals to 5 upon 2. X equals to 5 upon 2. Okay. See if you have understood till here. Any doubts, queries, questions, please ask. Then I'll show you the value of y also. पहले यहाँ तक करो. कॉपी कर लो जिनको भी करना है. Done till here? Because I need to
Yes,
erase
sir.
a little bit, so that I need space. This board being a little small, I have to write big, so I have to erase it. Till here we have done. Okay. Similarly, we are going to resubstitute for B. Similarly, we are going to resubstitute for B. What does B say? B equals to 1 upon y plus 3. And what is B equal to? B equals to 1. Therefore, y plus 3 equals to 1. Therefore, y equals to 1 minus 3. Y equals to minus y equals to minus 2. Not at all difficult. Lengthy, yes. I agree it is lengthy. But if you'll see what have we done, we have done no magic over here. We've just followed the basic steps. We just followed the basic steps, nothing else, right? Are you all copying this? Anybody wants to copy this, or I can erase this? If you are copying, let me know so that I can. Once you have finished, then I'll do the fourth one. Fourth one is also similar, but anyways, I'll just show you the starting. Rest after that, the steps are similar, what we have done over here. But as I said, whatever difficulties are there, we will address them, don't worry. So let me know. If you have finished this, please let me know. Okay, done. I believe all of you have finished. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Let's see how to solve that one. Now, that's not very difficult. That is also similar to what we have done over here. It requires you to concentrate. See, these sums, they require you to concentrate a little bit. You can't be doing two things at the same time. है ना, घर पर है तो टीवी भी देख रहे हैं, सम्स भी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, खा भी रहे हैं, सॉल्व भी कर रहे हैं, फ्रूट्स भी काट रहे हैं, सॉल्व भी कर रहे हैं. It doesn't work that way. You have to have full concentration. You have to have full concentration. If you do it with full concentration, believe me, every one of you, every single one of you can solve this one. It is not at all difficult. अभी तक हमने इतना किया है, अगर आप लोग ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं, तो ये आप सब कर सकते हैं. एक भी ऐसा नहीं है अपने से जो ये नहीं कर पाएगा, सब कर पाएंगे. All of you can do it, but it requires application from your side. It requires dedication from your side. You have to say, no, I will do this with concentration. My concentration will not waver. I will not digress. I will not lose focus. If you do it with focus, if you do it with concentration, believe me, it is much more easy. In fact, some of you might be able to do it faster than me. It
Sir,
is,
we have to multiply that equation 2 by 2.
we'll see now. Yes, you can do that. You can do that. The simplest thing, see, it says 1 upon 3 into bracket, not into bracket, sorry, 3x plus y. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 3x plus y upon plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4. Is it visible now? 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4. That is your first equation. Second equation is again the same thing, okay, in the sense it is 1 upon 2 times 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 times 3x minus y equals to minus 1 upon 8. These are the two equations. These are the two equations. Now first I have to see what I have to substitute. Substitution के लिए क्या लेना है? So for substitution here what I am going to do is I am going to take 1 upon 3x plus y as m. 1 upon 3x plus y as m. Okay, so I'll say let 1 upon 3x plus y equals to m and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to n. So my first equation will become, since this whole thing is m, so this becomes m plus n equals to 3 upon 4. M plus n equals to 3 upon 4. Simple. And the second equation, this is going to become 1 upon 2 will remain the same thing. It will become m upon 2 minus n upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 8. M upon 2 minus n upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 8. क्योंकि ये जो है ये हमने सिर्फ substitute किया. Now I want to simplify this. I want to bring it in a linear form. I don't want fractions. क्योंकि fractions आते हैं तो आप लोग डर जाते हैं. Fractions आते हैं तो आप लोग mistakes करते हैं. So I want you all to avoid fractions. तो ये 4 नहीं चाहिए. So multiply by 4 or bring this 4 this side. So this will become 4m plus 4n equals to 3. This is your fourth equation. 4m plus 4n equals to 3. Because if I multiply by 4, 4 into m is 4m, 4 into n is 4n, 4 into 3 upon 4, 4 and 4 will cancel equals to 3. Clear? This I don't want to. In fact, I'll multiply by 8. वो नीचे का 8 मुझे हटाना है. So I'll multiply throughout by 8. So if I multiply this equation by 8, if I multiply this by 8, I'll get again 4m minus 4n equals to minus 1. This is my fifth equation. 4m minus 4n equals to minus 1. Are we clear? After that, it is so very simple. Just add. So 4 plus 4, 8m, plus 4n minus 4n cancels. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. M equals to 2 upon 8, which is equals to 1 upon 4. M equals to 1 upon 4. Substitute m equals to 1 upon 4 in the fourth equation. Substitute in the fourth equation, which is 4m plus 4n equals to 3. 4m plus 4n. M is 1 upon 4. So 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4n equals to 4 will cancel. 1 plus 4n equals to, bring this one this side, 4n equals to 3 minus 1, which is 2. 4 n equals to 2 upon 4, which is 1 upon 2. So we have m equals to 1 upon 4, n equals to 1 upon 2. But that is not what I'm interested in. So I resubstitute. Okay. So I resubstitute. So when I resubstitute, I have m equals to 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 1 upon 4. M equals to 1 upon 3x plus y, which is equal to 1 upon 4. By invertendo, I'll get 3x plus y equals to 4 upon 1, which I can leave it as 4. This is my, sorry, I made a error. This will not be fourth equation. This will be third equation. And this will be fourth equation. So then I substitute in, this becomes equation number 5. Okay. Then n equals to 1 upon 3x minus y, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 3x minus y equals to 2. This is your sixth equation. Take both these equations together. So you have 3x plus y equals to 4. 3x minus y equals to 2. Since this is plus and minus, I'll add. So I have 6x equals to 6. Therefore, x equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 1. Substitute in any of these. In equation 5, what is 5? 3x plus y equals to 4. 3x plus y equals to 4. 3 into 1 plus y equals to 4. 3 plus y equals to 4. Y equals to 4 minus 3. Therefore, y equals to 1.
Sir, the right side board is not visible.
Sure. अभी
Yeah, done, sir.
दिख रहा है ना अभी?
हाँ, दिख रहा है.
Okay. Chalo, copy all of you. See, it is lengthy, but it is very simple. And whenever you get such kind of sums, please do them in the exam. Believe me, the calculations are going to be simple. When you get such kind of sums in the exam, just do them. Do not delay. Your calculations will be simple and you will get full marks. Of course, you will have to have that kind of concentration that you don't make mistakes. सिर्फ उतना ध्यान देना है आपको, बाकी कुछ नहीं. Otherwise, you will definitely get these sums right. Okay, copy this. In a minute, we'll get